Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by making sure basics are ready. Both devices are paired, updated, and on the same network. Once done, put the watch on your wrist so wrist detection works. This lets notifications appear. Open the watch app on your iPhone and tap notifications to start configuring. Make sure Do Not Disturb or a focus isn't active on either device because that stops alerts. Now move to app-level controls, so you decide which notifications show on your wrist versus remain on the phone. Next, you'll set detailed behavior for each app. In the Watch app, choose Mirror iPhone or Custom for a specific app. Mirror keeps phone behavior. Custom lets you change badges, sounds, and delivery. On the watch, adjust haptic strength and prominent haptic so you feel alerts. Sound and volume matter for audible cues. Also inspect iPhone settings. Right arrow notifications to allow alerts, choose banners, and show previews. These settings affect what the watch receives. Once configured, test an app you rely on to verify delivery. To finish, send yourself a test message or trigger a push so you can watch how notifications arrive. If nothing shows, restart both devices, then toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and check the watch app for a fresh sync. Make sure focus modes aren't silencing the watch and verify an app isn't set to deliver quietly. If issues persist, unpair and repair the watch as a final step. That rebuilds the connection and usually resolves lingering sync or settings conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.